Berger. Page 15, the media are one of many different institutions that exist within society. Name some of the other important institutions in modern society. Exactly, right? Once we've got media in our lives, that's the point where I wanted just put some 3D glasses on. Right? What are some other social institutions? Come on, man. I want. Here's one for the conspiracy theorists in the audience right now. Government, right? That's an institution. Government, religious institutions, right? As they're often referred to. These are institutional parts that shape culture, that shape society. Family, family. Not only thinking about sort of nuclear family or non-traditional family, right? Biracial family, right? Like intercultural family, warm culture, cold culture family units, but family, like the way we approach and think about and practice family, is an institutionalized practice. Entertainment, there clearly in American U.S. culture, we wouldn't build courses that incorporate popular culture as a way to study communication if we didn't always already recognize the overwhelming role entertainment plays in our lives. And only very few people can deny that. And that's an institution. Arguably, it's the number one export in the U.S. is our entertainment ideas and properties and values and stories to the globe. Community, education. Think of education as an institution, right? The institution of such and such law. But there is something to that. I mean, there's a reason we sort of protect certain values in higher education, maybe in primary education. This is why we get so defensive about, some of the things that we feel like maybe some rights are taken away or some values are discredited or things or practices are drawn into question or made to look suspicious because we're trying to do certain types of work that are based on philosophies and I'm going to use a big word here, epistemologies that are important. Even institutions, the military could even be thought of as an institution, and certainly, and we have many folks in our as a part of our MACU family that have served or currently serve, and there is something to that. There is a devotion there. There are certain thoughts and ways of being and practicing and viewing the world that are institutionalized, right? They're ingrained as part of the culture, the military culture there. So, those are a few instances.